their loved ones again. And we are, even if you have a normal coach.
She earns, she donates for people who cannot hear. That's a very big thing.
Woo!
Founded that club in Amity University, Gurgaon. There's 7 years now, and more than 1,000 student volunteers have passed by doing social work, and every year we are adding to that club. So that is where I started my social work. I wanted to do social work, but again you need to earn for that. And then my father told me join audiology, and when I joined this field, I realized this is also social work. You are helping people to hear, and there is where my journey started. I will explain you a little, but I wanted to give you why I am doing this so that you get my why. Khan, writer of Bhagwan, owner of Neelkamal Private Limited, all these people are also my clients. So this was just a small glimpse of what I do, why I do, because there's a solution for powerful hearing and communication. There's a full form written on my visiting card also. So SOPHICO is solution for powerful hearing and communication. Because mostly ज़्यादातर names होते हैं patents, hearing aid, hearing solutions and everything. I wanted to do something unique with my creativity, and I started that.
Good.
So I will start with नहीं सुन पा रही करके चलता है. So we take this hearing problem so lightly, but it is such a emotional problem that we don't even relate. How it starts, I will tell you. What happens? सबसे पहले घर में टीवी का वॉल्यूम हाई रहने लगेगा. घर में टीवी का वॉल्यूम हाई है तो आपको सब बोलने लगेंगे घर में टीवी का वॉल्यूम क्यों हाई है, थोड़ा कम रखो, थोड़ा कम रखो, थोड़ा कम रखो. उससे फिर आप टीवी में नहीं देख पाओगे, क्योंकि आप कम देख रहे हो तो आपको डायलॉग समझ में नहीं आ रहे, आप तेज देख रहे हो तो घर में एक मिसकम्युनिकेशन. उसके बाद आता है when you are not able to hear, you scream. आपको पता भी नहीं चलता. If I am not able to hear, I will not say Deepika, I will say Deepika. And when I have to speak little loud, then with my energy, my expressions will change. My expressions will change. Husband को लगेगा कि ये चिल्ला क्यों रही है, और उसको लगेगा ये चिल्ला क्यों रहे हैं. बिना मतलब का एक घर में झगड़ा होता है. मैम होता है क्या? Hearing aid will wire? 2 years. 2 years. So 2 years of miscommunication. वो तो अच्छा conversation में problem आने लग जाएगी आपको. Group conversation means जब आप 4 लोगों के बीच जा रहे हो, जैसे अभी आप लोग आए हो. Radio club is why? Radio club is for meeting people, meeting your friends, everything. But जब आप यहाँ आ रहे हो,
I was to try to avoid it. Then when I feel it, yes, now it is necessary, I went for it, and I am really happy with that.
you are there. It's a good. What you will suggest to people who have hearing problem but they are not going for it, they are resisting it? What will be your advice to them?
As soon as possible, they should go to a general and then get it checked.
Get it checked. So see, this is not in group. थोड़ा avoidance, then it went to group conversation. Group conversation when you will start avoiding people, when you are not around people, when you are not able to communicate with your family members, what will happen? Suddenly you will start getting into depression, anxiety.
It leads to inferiority complex.
हाँ, leads to inferiority complex. अच्छा, I want to ask to the people. अभी जिस डेसिबल पे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, डेसिबल का मतलब लाउडनेस. अभी जिस लाउडनेस से मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, that is 50 to 55 decibel. 50 to 55 decibel is the decibel जहाँ पे normal conversation होती है. But normally you should hear at 25 decibels. All frequency, all word. अगर कोई 25 decibel पे भी बोल रहा है ना, तो you should hear, and there is a frequency testing that I am testing, जिसमें ये पता चलता है at what decibel you are hearing.
You said someone will come home.
Right. So till 50-55 decibel, you don't even realize that you have a hearing loss, because till 50-55 decibel, you will not even feel कि आपको hearing loss हुआ भी है, because you are able to hear. But पहले आप अगर इस decibel पे सुन रहे थे, तो अब आप इस decibel पे सुन रहे हो. Basically, you start hearing little less and little less loudness. And what happens then? There's one more thing that come into Sure. There are different nerve cells and every nerve cells is allotted for different alphabet. Like ये nerve cell स पकड़ेगा, ये nerve cell प पकड़ेगा और ये nerve cells न पकड़ेगा. So these different cells are for different alphabet. What happens? Generally जो higher frequency के cells होते हैं ना वो basal part में होते हैं, नीचे की तरफ होते हैं और lower frequency like पंखे की आवाज ये हायर एपिकल पार्ट में होते हैं. तो स्टार्टिंग में लोअर पार्ट के सेल्स डैमेज होने लग जाते हैं. डैमेज भी नहीं बोलूंगी कि पूरा डैमेज, बट वो धीरे धीरे वीक होने लग जाते हैं. कि अगर पहले आप स को 30 डेसिबल पे सुनते थे तो आप 50 पे करोगे. कैसे आप टीवी की वॉल्यूम लाउड करते हो, उसी तरह आपके नॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन की भी लाउडनेस बढ़ने